roses. Vicky did really cool with animal prints. What, cheetah? Did she do like I think? Leopard?
Technically the same cat.
Different.
A little bit.
Are they different? Yeah, they look different. Smaller? Leopard?
Still big
No.
cat.
Cheetah. I don't know. I saw that. I think they're a little bit. So usually, if for all beginners, if you are interested in to draw this one, it's really simple, and because I'm really pleased with this precision brush. With twin tip brush is really easy and cool, but this one, because it's already have a gels ready for you, and the brush is so fine, which I love it. Look at that, you can really draw your cute, you know, like roses, simple. And if you want the bodies of the petals like a little bit thicker, you lay the brush and then you lip it up, like press it on, and give a little bit of pressure. I'll make sure that Instagram will see me. Just one more, I think. Jennifer Dajo Digits, I can't wait to see your beautiful creates for the press-ons or glue-ons or the custom nails that you're going to do for your clients. Do the super like smaller flowers. And if you're first start, you can start with like make it in like a 2C, like a look and the shape of it, and you can start draw it out. I think it looks good. I am going to gear it. For is 15 seconds. Let me see if I can. If you want to perfect it, it's great, because this one, I love how about the consistency of it. It's not like a running like a nail polish. I mean gel polish. But also it's not like a really concentrate like a gel painting pot. Sometimes gel painting pot I'm gonna dilute a little bit, so then it's easy to paint. But this one, even like you beginner, is so much easier. You really have to like experience it yourself, like to try to experience it yourself to see that, you know. It's just, I'm so pleased with this. I'm making this one a little bit like, you don't have to be like, you can be like I'm just like a little bit OC's moment, I guess. But it looks good. Great. Here for 15 seconds. And also, if you are doing a white base, you can also doing with the black. Like if you don't have any pigments on, you want to do a black, it's gonna be cool. I think you can still put the pigment on. I never try it. Maybe next time we should try it, see how it turned out. But I think a bright pigments will really pick it up as well. So I'm gonna take my 3 pigments here and my applicator right here. Somehow I get a little bit pink on it from dusting, I guess. And put it just right here. Can you open that one? I don't remember which one I'm using it. I'll just get a new one. Let me see that one. I put it on the sides and I can't remember. And I have a little bit orange. You can keep in mind you can do any colors you prefer, okay? The little, you just need to pick it just little. You don't need a whole lot. Little, small, go a long way. And I don't know, it's probably, you put the cap away, but then the leads, you can use just right on the leads. This works great too because they are so pigmented and the pure pigment, so you can mix it with your powders. I don't know, it's like one set of pigment, neon pigment will last you probably forever. It was like, okay, great. That's all I need. Put it back in. Dirt this off. We can put crystal on it, but if you don't want to put crystals, let's see what I can do with this one. This looks so fun. Should I put some of this on? Looks super cute. Maybe. Can you even see it? Really light. Maybe not. But I have other things I'm gonna put it on. Maybe this cute flowers. Cherry. I think. Blossom. Just really easy, just peel it off. Oh, it's nice. It's not nice. You like it? He'll like, oh, okay, whatever.
No, like,
It's blending.
It's very, very bright. So you need something to be able to counter that. Maybe some green.
You should see his face. I'm taking it off. You take it off.
You need like a really bright color. Maybe the green one. Stand out a bit better.
But it's okay, everyone. I'm not gonna keep this. I'm gonna take it off. Can you take it off? Because I need a different.
You haven't cured the pigment yet, have you?
No, not yet.
Give me the picker.
Is that being bigger?
No, the nip. Otherwise
Here,
it's-
hold on.
Because I haven't cured the pigment yet. If I touch my finger on it, they're gonna go everywhere.
It doesn't go anywhere. Stay it right there.
Down, nobody can see. There you go.
First time, I do not like.
So how about you
Pigment
cue
on
it
it.
and you can peel it up.
No, you can't cure it. All right, normal, because sometimes you just get things that you don't like it. But guess what? I have solution. Don't worry if it gets stuck, because it looks super cute, but it's not strong enough for me to go with my neon rose, of course. So I am gonna do this.
Let me try to peel it up.
No, I don't need it. It's okay. I'm gonna using my